Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Skype issues. To know how to find a solution about Skype issues, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you'll enter to the window of Skype and you click here. Then this page of app and for you click on first stop and you click OK. After that we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.